Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. So here we are covering visuals under this playlist. So in the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about this ribbon chart. I hope guys now you are cleared with this ribbon chart. And now in today's tutorial guys, we will talk about this next visual of Power BI, which name is waterfall chart. So before start this class guys, let me give you brief knowledge about this waterfall chart. So guys, with the help of this waterfall chart, we can easily visualize the positive and negative values in our dataset. And we can easily analyze profit and loss of last month, quarter, year or days. So before moving to the practical guys, firstly we will look at the dataset. So I will go here in data view. So here under this dataset guys, I have added one new column which name is profit, which is total sales minus cost, which is profit. And here you guys can also see some negative values. Here negative value means guys loss. So positive value shows profit here and negative shows loss in our business. And now let's go to the report view and go to this waterfall chart page. And here you guys can see I have already taken this water chart visual from this visualization pane. And along with that guys, I have already taken two slicer from here and one card visual. And now look at the parameter of this water chart visual. So here we have category, breakdown, y-axis and tooltips. So let's start with this category parameter. So here under this category parameter guys, I will take this order date. So I will simply drag and drop this column here. And here guys, I want to display quarter wise profit and loss. So I will remove other fields from here like year, month and day, and I will keep only quarter here. You guys can take any of the field here according to your requirement. And this time guys, I want to analyze my data on the basis of quarter with profit and loss. And now look at the next parameter, which is breakdown. So we will talk about this later. And now move to the next parameter, which is y-axis. So under y-axis guys, you guys can take any measurable value. But I have created one calculated column here which name is profit. So I will take this column here. So simply drag this column and drop here into this y-axis. And now here we guys can see quarter wise comparison of profit and loss. Here in legend section guys, this red color returns loss, which we have occurred in our business. And this green color returns profit. And the last color is blue, which return the total of this profit column. And now guys, I will take this profit column and drag and drop here into this card visual. And here you can match the values, which is 61881. And now guys, under this slicer guys, I will take order date column from here. And now guys, I will expand this year, which is 2022. And here I can see all the quarters. And under this slicer guys, I will take product column here. And here we guys can see the products. And here under this graph guys, we guys can easily see this red color returns loss. So in quarter 1 guys, we have occurred a loss of 75500. And in quarter 3 guys, we have occurred a loss of 10533. And now guys, let's cross check with the help of slicers. So here I will select quarter 1 only. And here you can see the negative value of quarter 1 is 75500. And if you guys wanna check the quarter 3, just click here. So the quarter 3 value is 10533. That means this graph returning the correct values. And now let me uncheck this. And now guys, we can easily see quarter wise negative and positive sales together in this waterfall chart. But we are not able to figure out guys which country or which product loss occurs. So if you want to make further analysis with other categories like product, country, state and so on. So we have one more parameter guys which name is breakdown. So under breakdown parameter guys, we guys can take any category from this sales table. So this time guys, I want to further analyze this waterfall chart with this product category. So I will select this product column from here and drag and drop here in this breakdown parameter. And now you guys can see with this quarter with products. And now we guys can easily analyze then what products occur more loss. So here under this quarter 1 guys, we can easily see this cake occur more loss. So if you guys want to cross check, so we need to go here in data view. And I will select this product column and I will select here only cake. And now we guys can see our data is filtered with only cake. And now let's talk about only quarter 1 sale. And now you guys can see the last 2 records are come under this first quarter, which is March 17, 2022 and January 9, 2022. And these 2 records are comes under the next quarter, which is August 16 and May 10. And now let's add the last 2 records with the help of slicer. So go to the waterfall chart page, and here under this date slicer guys, I will select quarter 1, and here under this product slicer guys, I will select only cake. And now we guys can see the total loss occurs by product cake in first quarter, which is 7653. Now let me uncheck this. And now I will go to this visual guys, and I will hover my mouse here under this product cake. And here you can see the total loss of first quarter by cake is 7653, which is totally correct. And in a similar way guys, you guys can analyze other quarter profit and loss with other products or any other categories. So I hope guys you have definitely enjoyed this video and cleared with this waterfall chart. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And if you click here on this playlist guys, you can see multiple playlists are here. So with the help of this DAX expression playlist guys, you guys can learn DAX functions from scratch, where I have tried to cover each and every DAX functions in detail. And also we have one more playlist guys, which name is Power BI Updates, where you guys will get to see the latest Power BI updates. So you guys don't require to go anywhere to see latest update about Power BI. And those who are new to this channel, kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. So stay connected with us for such kind of learning. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group, where I keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview questions and answers, which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think guys you require paid training sessions, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day 1 class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds with some advanced scenarios. So for paid training support or any other queries guys, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.